Hello, and welcome to Endeavor, a monthly video update from Garden Spot Village, where you will discover abundant opportunities to live with purpose in community. I'm Rick Myers, Sales Associate. Thank you for joining us this month for Endeavor. Registration is open for the 2024 Garden Spot Village Half Marathon, 10K, and Kids Fun Run. Our race weekend will be Friday and Saturday, March 22nd and 23rd. We invite you to register today at gsv.run and join our incredible community of runners. Register today and take advantage of early bird pricing. We're excited to announce that the shops at Garden Spot Village are part of the Fall Lancaster County Best Kept Secret Tour, October 5th through the 21st. Tickets are available at the resident services during our normal business hours. For just $11, you receive a Best Kept Secrets tour map, which unlocks the fall trail. If you love to shop, this is the tour for you. On Thursday, October 5th, we will host a memory care event and open house at Meadowview. Memory support specialist Connie Metzler from LG Penn Medicine's Memory Care program will present. Register through the event listing on our website. Please plan to join us on Saturday, October 21st. Garden Spot Village will host an open house from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. as part of Explore Retirement Living. This day-long event is hosted at 17 Lancaster County Continued Care Retirement Communities and provides an opportunity for prospective residents to tour multiple campuses and learn more about why Lancaster is a great place to retire. Registration's not required, but if you register through the events page on our website, we will send you an open house schedule. To find an up-to-date list of events available to the public, please visit the events page of our website. This has been Endeavor from Garden Spot Village, where you will discover abundant opportunities to live with purpose in community.